Hey, good morning. So glad you guys are joining us for our very first live stream service from Bellevue First Baptist Church. Today, before we get started, I want to walk you through a few features that we're able to offer with this live stream. We have some things that will allow you to engage and participate and just take part in the service rather than just watching or listening. That's great and all, but we want you to be engaged because how important is that to being a church? So if you will allow me, I'm going to turn my attention to my computer screen, and you should be seeing my screen any minute here. There we go. And this video is mainly going to help those who are on our main church website. And what I mean by that is, if you see up here, this is bellevuefbc.org. That is our main church website, and it'll take you to this page right here. And once you get to that page, whether you're on your phone, your tablet, your laptop, your desktop, whatever you're on, if you are on our main page, you click live, and then you can click here to watch the service once we're up and running. So you can watch the live stream from here. But if you notice this little link right here, once you click live, it says click here to watch. If you click that, it's going to take you to a different website right here, bellevuefbc.online.church. Again, so instead of bellevuefbc.org, bellevuefbc.online.church. You can type it in directly like that if you want, or you can go to our church website, click live, and then click here to watch, and it will take you there. Now, once you're here, this is where all the features are that I wanted to mention. And if you're on mobile, there's a little bit different way I'll show you at the end. But once you get here, you'll notice that here's the live streaming video. Once you click that, it'll expand, and you can open it up to take up your whole screen if you want to see better. But apart from the video, we have the features I mentioned. You'll notice here's a little window pane here that says chat. So you're in the chat window, and you can actually chat with anyone else who's watching. Right now it says we have 2 people watching. I'm not sure if that's true or not. It's 7:13 in the morning. But you can actually type down here in the window, the chat window, and you can talk with anyone who's live streaming right now. And this will be a public chat wall right here. So during the service, before and after, you can chat with your friends. You can share prayer requests, which we would encourage you to do. A little bit more on that here in a minute. And then another feature right here next to chat, you'll see the little tab that says notes. Click that, and you will actually get Pastor Don's sermon outlines. Normally what would be on the back of your bulletin. Right here next to the video. So pretty handy. Maybe you'll have, if you're on your computer, maybe you'll have Microsoft Word open or something like that. You can copy and paste this and take it right into a Word processor, and you can add your own notes to it if you want that way. You can print it off. Next to the notes is the Bible tab. If you don't have a physical Bible open or your phone's Bible open, you can actually use this Bible tab right here, and it has the entire Bible integrated right here on this site. So it's just really handy. You can choose your own version too if you have a preferred translation. And then one more tab here says schedule. This will tell you the upcoming services. We haven't gotten that far. We just have this week's and next week's kind of getting ready, but that will tell you the upcoming services there. One last feature. I mentioned prayer, sharing prayers on the chat wall. If you have prayers that are private and you don't want everyone in the world to see it, you can click this little live prayer button right here, and it will ask you to put in your name so we know who it is, and then you click your name and then click pray. And that will submit a request for live prayer with one of the elders. They are tuned in here, and once they get that notification, they'll hit accept the request for live prayer, and they will have a private chat wall just like this, but a private one just with you, and you can share your prayer request there. I believe at the end of the service we're going to have a special time set apart for praying over the things that are mentioned here. So we'd really encourage you, let us know what's going on, let us know how we can pray for you. And so we hope this little tutorial has been helpful. And real quick, before we kind of sign off from this, I also mentioned how to log on from a mobile device. So if you're on your phone or tablet, and you again go to bellevuefbc.org, click this little menu button right here. Go down to live, and then click here to watch. And again, it will take you to this site where you can take part in it. Of course, the site will look a little bit cleaner, a little different on your phone than on the desktop, but all the same features. So take part, be engaged, and we just hope you are so blessed by today's services. Thank you.